Simple Wi-Fi Profits. Do you wish to know methods to earn money in your spare time? Do you desire to start your online business in a few minutes? Are you looking for training that can teach you affiliate marketing for beginners to an advanced level that can help you to earn money? If yes, then the Simple Wi-Fi Profits program is for you. Currently, many people are not aware of the affiliate marketing model. People don't know the right way to do online marketing. Also, people are not familiar with the true potential of affiliate marketing, due to which they don't join this field. But if you know the true power of affiliate marketing, then you might want to learn it. Now you might question where you can learn affiliate marketing. Is there any worthy affiliate product? The simple answer to it is Simple Wi-Fi Profits. But what is the Wi-Fi Profits product? In this Simple Wi-Fi Profits review, you will learn about this product. What is Simple Wi-Fi Profits? It is an online training that will give you step-by-step assistance regarding affiliate marketing. This product will help you know the affiliate marketing business from scratch. It shows the strategies to use Facebook ads to grow your affiliate business. You will find a unique and rare method to run your affiliate sales via this product. The program holds an easy-to-understand formula that has helped college dropout to make thousands of dollars within a month. Only with a small investment and effort, you can boost your business worth. This Wi-Fi Profits product will make you go through different affiliate marketing chapters. You will get access to the Wi-Fi Profits membership area. The best thing is that you will be able to achieve all the success without risking thousands of dollars. About Chris EOM and Andrew Wright, the creators. Chris EOM and Andrew Wright are the two creators of this product. Both the guys have gained much success in the affiliate marketing business, due to which they have decided to help other people to achieve their goals through affiliate marketing. How does Simple Wi-Fi Profits work? This Wi-Fi Profits program will give you affiliate tricks and strategies to make it work for you. You will acknowledge diverse means to drive traffic on your landing page via it that you can convert into sales. Important chapters in Simple Wi-Fi Profits. This program comes with different chapters covering in-depth knowledge about marketing. Below are some of those chapters listed. Affiliate Marketing 101. The first chapter will give you a better understanding of affiliate marketing. From basic to an advanced level, you will be able to know the affiliate marketing model. Funnels 101. Funnels 101 is the second chapter, where you will know a simple 3-step funnel secret. You will learn to use funnels in the right way to make your first few dollars. Set up landing page. Here the program will educate you about the landing page and why it is important for your online business. You will also discover to set up a landing page via it. Build empire. In the fourth chapter, this product will show you the roadmap towards success. You will learn about high-income skills via it. Benefits of using Simple Wi-Fi Profits. Affiliate marketing. In case you desire to identify affiliate marketing and wish to make money via it, then you must go for the Wi-Fi Profits product. Easy to follow. By offering the step-by-step guide, the Wi-Fi Profits has made this product easy to follow. Cashback guarantee. With a 60 days cashback guarantee, the Wi-Fi Profits give you a worry-free experience. To read full review, click link in the description.